Hi friends, today we are going to show you the demo for IBM Domino 10 version for installation and configuration file. So before going to start the installation and configuring the Domino 10 versions, so I'll let you know the some new features coming in the Domino 10 version. First is publishing statistics to external services. You can set up IBM Domino to publish Domino statistics to external monitoring service. The service must be able to accept time series data via HTTP post request. A Domino server is pre-configured to publish Domino statistics to the new Relic service using new Relic a plugin API. Uh, and then second is a feature that save your time. The first, dynamic indexing of high users of view. Second is symmetrical clustering. Third is improved streaming cluster replications during the server restart. Fourth one is new way to synchronize data replica. Detect delay in the database replication within a cluster. Full text search resiliency. Seventh is document deletion logging. It is automatic dead mail processing. And another security feature is enable SSL TSL cipher configurations. And it means Domino supports as a SHA2 for SSL support. Second is SAML federated in identity provided configuration enhancement. Third is maintaining ID file synchronization with the vault. Fourth one is whitelist active content filter. And another feature is ODS. Domino 10 has introduced the new ODS 53 version, support larger database and folder. The maximum size of database allow is IBM Domino 10 has increased to 256 GB. Is a huge database size. The previously it was 64 GB only. In addition, the maximum size of the folder has increased significantly. Improvement to the website rule document to for HTTP response header. When you create a website rule document for HTTP response header, you can now include up to 20 custom headers. Previously, you were restricted to the 3 only. The new feature is for push to nodes clients. First, schedule messages. You can schedule the message to send the message to the client. Second is set limit for sending a mail, like set limit attachment limit for mail sending. Third is pushing a custom color theme to the nodes clients. You can customize the color of the workspace of the Lotus nodes clients. Fourth is pushing iCalendar refresh interval publishing new calendar. Like um, you can integrate your calendar with the Google Calendar, yeah, any other calendar. So now let's start the installation of Domino 10 versions. So now we are some prerequisites for Domino uh, 10 version. There is no any specific prerequisites. You can use same as earlier server like Windows 2008 server, R2 version, 64-bit version, and 4 GB minimum 4 GB RAM. This is the prerequisite for the server installation. Now we require some information to installing the Domino server. Is first Domino server name, like we have put the server name here, main server one, and I put it the organization name.
So we can put this there. The author name premium administrator name. You can put the administrator name here, and require server IP. Server IP has been selected here, and FQDN name.
FKD1 name I have mentioned in my host file name. Yeah, you can add your DNS alias name in your DNS server. So I have not using any DNS server, so I put it the host name entry for this FKDN name. So I'm going to check the host file entry. Go to Windows 32, System 32, System 32. Then go to drivers, etc, and host file is there. Open it, notepad. So I have mentioned this IP for host file fully qualified name like mail server 101.com. So I just ping this server from this IP should be reply ping. So it will work. So I'm going to install the setup, Domino setup. Going to software Domino 10 version, Domino 10 server community, double click it, the next. So setup will take 5 to 6 minutes. So click on next, accept the license agreement, click here and next. I'm going to install in C IBM folder, C IBM folder Domino. This is not a partition server, this is a standalone server. Next, the program data folder will come automatically in the IBM Domino data. Click on next. So this is my enterprise server. So enterprise server has including the utility server, messaging server, and application server. All the three servers are including in the enterprise server. So going to the enterprise using in the enterprise server, then click on next. Then click on next. Now setup is running on, so it will take 4 to 5 minutes. Now setup has been successfully completed, and click on finish. Now come here, the IBM Domino server. Double click on the IBM Domino server. Now setup has come. Now click on next. I'm using the first and standalone server. I'm not using the additional server. So I am going to set up first and add a standalone server. So put it the server name. I have mentioned the server name here. What is my server name? Server name is mail server 1. So this is my mail server. Title name is mail server. Next, put it the organization name. My organization name is here. Password. You can enter the password. Something wrong. This, this is a cert file. Cert file. I want to is asking for use the cert file. So I'm not use the cert file. Cert file will be saved automatically here. Click on next. Put it the domain name. My domain name is here. Domain name is here. Mail server is I have put it the domain name is a mail server. The administrator password asking for administrator password. Save this admin file. You can browse and use the desktop ID file. Save here. So it will be automatically saved in the data folder. No issue. Click on next. I want to use HTTP server also. So check here. Next. Put the fully qualified name. This is my fully qualified name. So copy and paste here. Click on next, next, and setup. Finish. Now server installation is finished. So I'm going to start the server. Click here and open. I'm going to start as a regular application. So now server is started. Let me check the server console. Server console is opening. So currently you are not connected to the server. This error has coming. So now, so we will do it. I'm going to open the notes.ini file. Go to IBM folder, Domino, notes. This is the notes.ini file. Open it and two things we need to mention. First, we will mention the server controller equal to 1. Second thing, we can put this server IP like here to here, and the TCP IP underscore controller and TCP IP address equal to server IP and port 2050. Okay, one more thing, create replica 10, database equal to 1. When this parameter will be added in notes.ini, then we will able to create the database from the notes to inversion. So first we need to check it's not mentioned there, so we need to mention here create underscore r10 equal to underscore database equal to 1, then file save and close it, close it, close it. Then we need to restart the server. quit. Now again start the server as a regular application. So I need to check the server console also. So open the server console. Already open. So we need to close it. So server console is not connecting. So I will let you know the second part of this video. So I will refix this server console issue. Okay. Thank you for watching this video. I will installing this next step, next part. I will install the Lotus Notes clients and admin client, and then I will let you know the configuration, server configuration, and server document configuration file. Thank you for watching video.